Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 89. We are in Glendale, California right now. We got a call like an hour ago and we got here. We're waiting for the person to get here with Uber. We're gonna meet her at McDonald's. So we're gonna fix an iPhone 6 white color. So we're heading there now and should be there in a second. Actually a few minutes, but yeah, and then we'll show you how it's done, how it goes down, and stay tuned for some extra coming your way. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we just got to Mickey D's McDonald's and we are just going to wait for a customer to arrive with Uber and then we're gonna do the job. Right. Yep, so we're just waiting. It seems pretty late for this time of day. I guess it's it is a Sunday, but it's pretty lit up here. It's all turned up, like people are outside smoking their joints, just chilling. But it's a very nice area. This area, it's Glendale, so there's no crime here. Like the cops are all over the place, which is good. So should be fine. Just gonna wait and just chill for the cus to come through, and so we can get that thing taken care of and done with. Hey guys, see you guys soon. My peeps, my boys, my girls, my fams, my true boys, and I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I think it's kind of late. It's right now exactly 11:50. So, and I've been up since 9 in the morning. So I guess running around. Yep, that's what it is. That's what the job entails. So we gotta do it. We have no other choice. So we should be back. She should be back here. She should be back here. She should be here any second now. So I'll see you guys soon when she arrives, and we'll see you inside the Mickey D's and doing some cool repairs on iPhone 6 screen repair. See you guys soon. Peace in a bit. Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold, the vlog 89. We finished that repair and we just pulled up home. We are home officially. It was a cool repair, as you guys saw. She was a cool lady. She lives in Mexico City, but she works here for 2 weeks here, and then she just goes there for the whole month. So it's pretty cool. And so yeah, we just finished that, and that will conclude our vlog 89. So thank you for watching, and this is Phon-Er Gold, and have a beautiful, beautiful night, if it's a night out there, or morning, or afternoon, or day, or whichever time zone you're in. So thank you for watching. Ari Gold, Phon-Er, and have a beautiful, 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 beautiful one. Peace. Cut.